We're going in the car wash. Yes. Oh my god. Go forward. I'm shooting on a video.
Okay. I'm gonna shut this air conditioner off, okay?
Sure.
Cars in park. Ooh, here
Oh
come
my.
bubbles. You always like this because...
Yeah, I'm just taking a video. Because I like this. Soak the car up.
Shits.
It's coming near me. Oh, ho, 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 ho. We're getting soaked on. The car's soaking. Why isn't it soap? Oh wait, what's? Oh yeah.
Here comes soap.
On the other side, it's on the other side. Come on. Come over to here. Come over. This is cool. I'm so excited to decorate my radio collection when I get home. Well, I need to change it up. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now I'm going to back. Yeah, I went to the dollar store and I got some AAA so I can power up my lantern, 2 of them, and then my modules from my Zongar Plus. I might unbox a new one, but I actually found a version 1 on eBay. Which there was one that was black and silver for $600. But that came with a replacement antenna, but although $600 make offer is not going to do you any good. It was black and silver, yes, it is black and silver. But I'm not getting it, I'm getting the white one. Sure. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just stick my head here. I want to see what it feels like Oh my god, that was loud. It'll be funny if I got washed up. Is that a tornado? It's a tornado coming after us. The tornado's here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's a tornado. Tornado warning got issued on the next service. This is in the process of issue day. Tornado warning for. I don't know why I'm doing that. Oh my god. That was so funny, but Mom, what was it doing? Yep, tornado's here. Got it shoot again. Here's the special weather statement. A huge tornado is going to get in the car wash. People still, oh no, transmitter down. Let's just run. Yeah, what to do. Rinsing. I was like, oh my god. Look at that, it's so funny. It's like heavy rain. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not like to see every year the tornado. Take cover now. If you're in a car wash, it's not going to be good because it's here. Well, that's cool. Let's set another camera to get both of them on there. This one.
Here we roll.
Yeah, I'm gonna decorate my radio collection. Tyrone Rainey.
Okay, are you gonna?
Thank you for listening to Know What the Radio Wall Hazards.
This is not.
on time.
It's not working. The dryer's not working.
But I just don't say anything.
I gotta dry my car.
Shush, you're yelling.